Today, I was lying on my couch thinking about everything and nothing at the same time. And then I suddenly remember I don't have a red shirt. And since I have some remaining red fabric, let me make one from scratch. First, let's take some measurements. This part is both the easiest and the most crucial one when you are making clothes. If everything is correct, you get a well-fitted garment. But if there is one mistake, you get a spoiled final product that feels uncomfortable to wear. That's why you have to take every measurement twice and always make sure you add enough seam allowance. It only takes around 5 minutes to do it, but it determines the fit of your project. Now it's finally time to start making the shirt, and the first step is pattern making. Think of pattern making as building a house with one slight difference. Instead of building the house from ground up, you create each part separately and then you stitch them together. Since it would be very risky to draw your pattern on the fabric itself, we use paper. Then we just put the cut paper on the fabric to extract the pieces we need. Pattern making can be a tiresome activity because it takes time and precision to get everything right. The pattern is the clothes. If you get it wrong, your final garment will be spoiled. But nowadays, people don't make their own pattern. They just buy the printed version online with specific measurements. Me, I do it on my own because I believe it will make me a more complete designer. Knowing how to draft your pattern as a designer make it more simple for you to convey your ideas to your staff. You know what is possible or not, and more important, you know how quickly things should be done. It is without a doubt the most boring part of making clothes, but it is so essential that you should never neglect it. You should always take your time and do it perfectly. Sewing a shirt like this is very simple because you are just basically putting the part that you have cut together. Nothing complicated about it, no secret techniques or ways to do it. You just put everything together. So in a few seconds, you should already see the final result, which I think is okay. It's not great, but I think this one is okay. You can tell me in the comment section what you think, guys.